My name is Nadine Morris, parent of Rojea McCook, who is currently in need of a bone marrow transplant. The cost is $71,000 US dollars, and I'm just seeking assistance from corporate Jamaica in getting this done. It was very comforting to learn that the type of cancer that it was Hodgkin's lymphoma. It has a high successful treatment. Yes. So even at stage 4, it is considered to be successfully treated. So I didn't have much worry and started treatment right away in September.
Of 2019, right?
Yes, 2019.
The only thing that really comes to mind is going to school with my friends, but because of our current corona situation, I'm unable to do that. I can endure.
How difficult was it for you to, get back in?
For me, it was really hard. I learned how to adapt very quickly. There's so many in situation. So going back to school, I just knew that I had to work to deal with at that time.
And did you repeat that grade?
Yes, I ended up repeating my 4th and 10th grade.
And as I say, you know how to adapt, so that wasn't a problem.
Well, having such good friends, a lot of my friends helped me to understand anything that I never really get to understand. So I'm really grateful for them.
Yeah, man. And I know your mother isn't afraid, she's hopeful, but are you afraid? Do you have any worries?
No, not really. I think she's more afraid than I am.
3 weeks now, when a PET scan result came back showing that the cancer is back, but not only back, has now spread to his stomach. Right. And the doctor advised us, that his oncologist, that there is no further treatment locally that can be administered to him, because he had completed all his cycles of chemotherapy in order to get rid of the cancer. And since he didn't stay in remission, he would have to now do a bone marrow transplant.